I want to simplify the washing of your Tarpaulin fish pond for you. When you are draining the water in your fish pond, either you're going to harvest or whichever purpose, at the end of it, you have to wash your pond very clean. This could be tarpaulin or concrete or plastic, whichever. But it is good as you are draining the algae or the dirt on the edges. You will be cleaning it along as the water level is going down, leaving the dirt on the edges. The reason is that if you don't clean it along and it gets dry and stick on the edges, it will be very difficult for you to clean it as at that time. Because at that time, when you are going to clean or wash it, you need to wet it again. Put water on it and let it get wet before you can clean. Which is going to waste your time and effort. But as you are cleaning alongside, then in few minutes time, because it is so wet, it is easy to just clean it that way. And then when you finish the draining the water, it will just lie with the ground and you can easily rinse it out. Don't let the dirt dry on it. And to clean, you can simply use a sponge like the one I'm using. It's a sponge. Or better still, you can use a brush like this, or anything that will be easier for you to clean. And then when you are cleaning, it makes it easy. It is also part of the daily tips or daily routine. I've had a video on my daily routine in the farm to always clean the edges when you notice they are dirty. When you come in the day, always clean it. That one is part of ensuring your fish is healthy because the environment is clean, the oxygen level is good, great water, healthy water, and then they'll be growing. But if you allow them to just be in the dirt like that, it's going to hinder their growth. So it's part of daily routine. You can check out the video in the link for the daily activities. Also, I've had a video on how to clean a tarpaulin fish pond. It is a detailed video with practical how I clean up a complete tarpaulin pond. You can check that one out too in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and then let's share. I'll see you in my next video.